thought I'd just do a walkthrough of projects that I've got going on here at the shop. So Jane's presently been working on this kiss. She's been painting it up. This thing's gonna go on route real soon, probably at Pins and Pints, maybe as early as next week. That's what I'm shooting for. This is repaired. It's done now, Jurassic Park. Just got that invoice typed up and sent off to the client. This Volley, a buddy of mine, has been working on this in the shop. It's a beautiful game. Turned out really nice, really clean play field, fun playing game. This Captain Kit, I've had it a while. I've put a couple videos that I've repaired it about halfway. I just need to spend more time to finish it. This Champion Rifle, it's a fun game, crazy. It's a rifle shooter, but you really shoot at a ball, and it's like a little pinball table in the bottom. It's silly, but kind of fun. Apparently, I like it more than anybody else does. Nobody wants to buy it yet. So if you want to if you're interested in it, make me an offer. I got 1,500 listed on there. Make me an offer if you want it. It's Tales of the Crypt. That's a repair job. Star Trek. This one is that's going to go en route. It's probably going to go. I'm thinking probably Token Game Tavern here in a week or so. Just got in this game yesterday to repair Little Chief. This Card Whiz, if you watch my channel, I did a video repairing basically all the switches and everything. I got a box of love from Steve right here, falling apart. So I'm gonna do another video doing the playfield. I think I'm gonna probably do a clear coat on this one. The playfield isn't too awful rough. It's kind of rough, but it'll touch up. Jen will do a great job on it, I'm sure. Got this dialed in. I need to list this thing for sale. It's a great game. Just haven't got around to it. 8-Ball Deluxe. It's another repair. Haven't started it. Freddy's Nightmare. I've started filming a video on this one. Done the a little bit of the board work and some of the ground mods. That's all I've done on this one so far. Not my game. It's repair. Pretty nice getaway here. I've done a little bit of work on this one. This is another game I'm probably going to put on route. It's got all these goofy lights up at the top. I'm going to take those off. I'm going to try to see if I can get a beacon assembly for this. But I'll do a video on this one when I get to it. It's WrestleMania. I just took this off route. It's a good playing game. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with it. I might put it somewhere else, or if you're interested in buying a pretty nice WrestleMania, give me a holler. I'd say it's in very good condition. Another Bally Star Trek. This is a repair job. This is going to be a full-blown repair. I'll probably do some videos on that. I've got this Sorcerer, which is a total project. The playfield's gone. There's no back glass, no lock bar, but it's a Sorcerer, so it's really cool. The Space Invaders, you see the playfield, it's trashed. Half the boards are missing, but I'm gonna get this thing fixed up. Oh, I got this Paragon. What else I've got? Oh, Evil Knievel in the back. It's okay shape. I'm sure I'll do a video getting that. I'll probably put that one on route. This Hot Tips. I'm not sure. It's a project. Let's say that. I don't know about the playfield. The back glass is there. It's got some chips on it. If anybody wants a Hot Tips, make me an offer. It doesn't boot. I know that. I'm not sure if all the boards are in there. Probably are. I don't think that. Well, I don't know if I've even plugged it in. Anyway, make me an offer. I'll sell that real cheap. Yeah, this Paragon, I'm going to redo this one. I'll probably do a clear coat on this one. It's a really nice game. There's a little bit of wear in the inserts, but otherwise the playfield is pretty nice. It's a great game. This is the cabinet for that Little Chief. The Jurassic Park, this is my Jurassic Park. I bought it at auction. I got a new head from it from Pinball Life. It boots, but I bought it at the auction, and it was playing, but I didn't really investigate it. It was kind of a last minute deal. People were bidding on it. I was like, threw out one bid and I bought it, So I hadn't really investigated that much, so I don't really know what I got. The Strikes and Spares, I'm probably going to put this up at Sutry's this week or next week and pull out the Black Pyramid, because the Black Pyramid is sold. Then I've got a Matahari in the back. It's a project. The boards are bad. The playfield's bad. It's a full workup. Got this Last Action Hero. It boots and plays. It just needs a full shop job. I mean, it's pretty nasty. It's clunky, and flippers are bad. All the mechs need to rework. The boards probably need some rework. Yeah, I see batteries up on the board. So yeah, it just needs a full workup. This card whiz, this is a different card whiz than the other one we were looking at. The back glass is much nicer. This is a client's card whiz, and his cabinet is over there. The Expressway, I skipped all those. I've got a Sluggin' Champ. I've got a Williams Soccer. I'm sorry, this is Gottlieb, or is it? No, it's a Williams Soccer. It's the Williams Soccer. I had a guy who showed a lot of interest in this just the other day. The guy that brought in this little chief. He had a couple of grandkids that were big soccer players, and he thought they would love this game. So this game, I don't think I've ever plugged it in. I bought this, a year and a half ago maybe, and it's set here waiting for somebody. Got a Led Zeppelin Pro in the box. I'm probably put this on the route at some point. What else I've got? Oh, this is that card whiz. This is a repair job. This is Sluggin' Champ. This is the cabinet. I did a video stripping the paint. I just never got back around to actually finishing it up. Pretty nice Corvette. This is a game that I also got at auction. It's kind of the same thing as the other one I was talking about, the Jurassic Park. It's just kind of like I wasn't really interested in buying it, and people were bidding on it, and they weren't paying enough, so I placed one bid and bought it. So I've got a Wizard, an old cabinet full of junk parts. What else? I've got a Gorf because I love Gorf, and a Star Castle because it's the best video game ever made. An Expressway. The back glass for this one is beautiful. I don't know how this game plays, but it's a beautiful game. You want to start, Django? Yes. There's the Wizard. It's a pretty nice play field. Just needs gone through. And travel time. I did a video on these for a client. This is my game. I'm gonna fix this one up. I think I may try to put this one on route because it's weird the fact that you don't get 3 balls. You get 90 seconds or something. You can add more time. So it's a time-based game instead of a ball type game, which is, I think for a lot of people probably works better because you see people come up and they'll put in their 75 cents or $1, and a lot of times if especially in some of these modern Sterns, it's like or even like an older game, they'll be done in like 35 seconds, and they're like, oh, that sucked, and they'll walk away because it did suck. They don't know what they're doing, and they're just not very good at pinball, and it's like eating their quarters, and they feel like they got gypped. So this is a game that speaks to that. At least you can set the initial time at whatever, and guarantee something. So anyway, that's what I've got going here. And of course, most of the games, or a lot of the games I've got on route at Pins and Pints and or Sutry's, a lot of those are set for sale also. So if you're interested in anything, just give me a holler and we'll make a deal.